Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Tenderly to debug smart contract transactions, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Tenderly website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information to establish your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Tenderly dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Projects tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Create New Project button to start a new project. Enter a name and description for your project to keep it organized. Select the blockchain network your smart contract operates on. After configuring the project settings, click on Create Project to proceed. Now, navigate to the Contracts tab within your project. Click on the Add Contract button to include your smart contract for debugging. Paste your smart contract's address in the provided field. Tenderly will fetch the contract's API automatically. Once fetched, confirm the details and click Add Contract. Next, find the Transactions tab in the left sidebar. Here, you can explore all past transactions for the added contract. To debug a transaction, select a specific transaction from the list. Click on the transaction to view its detailed breakdown. You will see information such as gas used, inputs, and outputs. To start debugging, look for the Debug button at the top right. Click on it to access the interactive debugger interface. You can now set breakpoints in your smart contracts code. Step through each line of code by clicking the Step button. Monitor the state of variables and contract storage as you proceed. If you encounter an error, the debugger will show error messages and revert logs. Make use of the Logs section to view emitted events while debugging. Once you've identified the issues, you can revise your smart contract code accordingly. After making changes, redeploy the updated contract using your preferred method. To ensure everything works, repeat the transaction debugging process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.